Alright, what's happening, guys? So I just wanted to show y'all something really cool. This is the APC UPS uninterrupted power supply. This thing is super cool. So it's basically going to be able to keep the laser running. If all the power goes out, it'll give me time to save any program, finish any engraving that I'm doing. Basically, I don't have to worry about anybody's item getting messed up because of a power outage or something like that. So I've got it hooked up to a 50-watt Racus, and boom, hit the button. You can see that it's doing laser engraving right now. Sitting there burning. You can, all right, now watch this. I'm going to kill the power. All right, that just told me that it's pulling. I mean, this thing is pulling. It's not even messing it up with the load. The computer stayed on. All right, the laser stayed on. Everything else shut off except for the lights. They're hooked up to a different plug. Yeah, and my burn is still going. This thing is a game changer. I love it. I've never messed up anybody's stuff yet, but it's always been.
You don't want the first time.
Yeah, it's always been a scary thought. So, yeah, if you have a laser engraver, get one of these. All right. Yeah, it's just letting me know that it's running. I'm going to go ahead and put the power back onto it because I just plugged it in. And it's still burning. It's still going, like no interruption whatsoever. Yeah, that thing's cool. All right. Well, there you have it. The UPS uninterrupted power source. I'll put the link to where I got it at B&H Photo in the description. But yeah, definitely a cool thing. Bye. So it's called the UPS 8.
Beep. UPS uninterrupted power supply. APC is the name of the company.
All right, what's happening, guys? So